Welcome friends and curiosity seekers. Today on Project Kodawe, my kiddo Bros is going to be changing out the brake cable on his bike. Wait till the end also, we got a few blooper cuts in there that are pretty funny. Hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video with Ross Parsley. I'm with my dad. I'm on my dad's channel today, so that I can work on my bike. I flipped and my brake line broke right here. So, yeah. Now it's too short and it won't go all the way over here to the brakes. So we have to fix it. And yeah, let's get right to that. So what we're gonna need is
Allen wrench,
clamp,
channel locks,
pliers, and some wire cutters. And yeah, so, and a brake line. Let's do this thing. So first things first, you pull this off all the way and just put it to the side. And then you grab your pliers and turn it until the grooves are lined up, which is almost there.
Why do you want the grooves lined up?
So you can take it off easier. Sometimes you can do it with your hand.
Okay. Now, yep. There's a groove
Then
on
you
the
pull
bottom.
this. And then you take it out. Oh, oops. Yeah, you take it out.
There should be another groove in there. Here,
I know,
flip this
I'm
out.
doing pause. I was pausing. Cut. Okay, so yeah. You just take it out after you take it out like this after you do the rest of the stuff that I said. And then you just put this to the side as well. And then you grab the other thing, whatever, the other one,
Brake cable.
the brake cable. And then you unwrap it.
Oh, by the way, take that other piece off. That piece there. You don't need that. No.
And you take that other thing off. And then you do the same thing opposite way. In, turn it correctly, put it in, and then you grab your outline, or your outing, the shell. Then you run it back through. And then line it up. Here.
Yeah, hold on. You're gonna have to go look at where you are. You're gonna have to put your cable through here.
Alright. Yeah. What he said.
And then slide this brake cable cover up into that hole up there. Don't twist those too much. That's your adjustments. So you need that to have some.
And you put it in here, like this.
Hold on. Where's your? No. Hold on. This goes. Slide that all the way up into that hole. There you go. Now that goes into this hole here. There you go. Yep, feed that through, and then you got the small piece wherever it went, right here.
Then you have a small piece.
Slide that on. Other way.
No, it's like this.
Oh yeah, you're right.
You slide the small one through, if you can get it.
We got. Oh, good. Okay.
Might take a little wiggling.
Okay.
And then you grab the other two parts that I took off a minute ago. This first. To set this to the side and run this through with the tubing first. Or wait, yeah, the tubing first. Then you go, and it should fit in here. Should. Maybe not. Cut.
No, you're fine. Is it backwards?
No, it's just not working.
Let's look at it. Alright, we'll be right back.
It might have took a little wiggling, but I finally got it on right there. And then you just grab this and push it up through. Up here. And it might take a little wiggling, but you just stuff it in. And then you put this right here and grab this tubing. And then run that down like that. And then you grab the Allen wrench or whatever it is.
Yep, Allen wrench. And that's the too big one. You're going to have to use the smaller one.
And then you use.
I think it's the one on the other side.
And then you use number 5, the 5th one.
Nope.
Yeah.
Is it? Okay.
The 5th one. And then you loosen it until you can get the other one in. After you take this out, the stuff that might be left in there. If it just breaks off, then you pull it tight, like so.
What you're going to want to do is look at the gap in between both sides, and you're going to leave just a hair of a gap. Here, let me pull it together while you tighten it here in just a second. So we're going to pull that together about there and tighten it up.
Yeah.
Keep going. You're going the right way.
So yeah.
Alright, before we cut the wire off, we need to test it a little bit. So spin get that out of the way. Spin the tire and pull the brake. See what happens.
As soon as you get it fast, like how you would in real life, you pull it.
And it stops.
Ta-da!
A couple other things. Right here you have some fine adjustments that you can go in or out so that you can adjust the actual play on the...
Spin it again.
Okay, we're going to spin it again. That's too tight. It's rubbing a little bit, so you need to loosen back on it.
Because it's rubbing, then you loosen it, and here comes the kind.
Okay, good pull.
And pull.
Good.
Complete stop.
All right, there we go. Wrap it up.
So yeah, please subscribe. Leave a comment of what we should do next, and yeah. Okay, so let's do this thing. So first things first, you pull this off. Well, you might need the wire cutters to cut it because it's messed up. So yeah. Hey guys, so yeah. If you saw the rest of the video, cut.
2, 1.
We just started it. Hey guys, okay, 3, 2.